Alright, now, very important thing about these. This vehicle is 14, almost 15 years old. These connectors, with heat and time, they get brittle. And they'll break if you try to pull them out most of the time, but I have a secret for that. I'll show you that right now. Other than making women look better than they actually do, no offense to anybody out there, heavy duty silicone, you take this and you spray it on the thumb piece of the connector. I guarantee you we will not break any of these. Watch. Push in, you push down, push in, and then pull out. Down, in, and out. Down, in. Kind of hard to do with one hand. That's what she said. There we go. Down. In. It's almost there. There we go. Boom.